Ray, Border Collie mix, and curly hair, Lagota, Bobo, they really want to go fast. They're very durable dogs, but because we have Fatso, Bo, we are not going too fast because we're going as a team. But we are going for a longer ride right now, so slower speed, like a jogging, but longer distance. I'm increasing distance every 3 days. I'm adding a little bit more into our trip. Of course, I'm looking how dog feel. If dog feels sore, like these ones, they don't feel sore at all, then I will make a shorter trip. But if your dog is sore and you decided not to take it for a ride or long hike anymore, it will not do anything good. You need to continue to walk out your dog. This is a mental and physical stimulation. For active dog like Ray and Bobo, these two, such exercises make them happy and burn the energy, so they can behave better in the house or regular leash walks. It does help them. For Bo, this is just a fitness to lose some weight. But definitely these two want to go faster, like a sled dogs. We did 2 miles and we driving back home, and you can see that Ray, Bobo, they still didn't burn their energy. Look how Ray pulling. So these dogs require longer trip and longer distance, definitely, and maybe faster. Because Ray still wanna go. He is not tired. Same with Bobo. We did almost 3 miles and I'm back to my property, and I will do couple laps on my property. And Ray and Bobo, they still wanna go. And Bo is in better shape now as well. I prefer to do the bike riding instead of golf cart, but because of the weather and because Bo is not in the best shape for a bike ride, I took bike riding him with me, and it was just too slow. On a golf cart, I can go way slower without compromising my balance. So, like these dogs, better to do the bike riding. You can go way faster and you can exercise this dog way faster. With the Bo, I have to spend sometimes around an hour to exercise him because I go so slow. So everybody is different shape.